My son John died with cancer in 2019. I was a big collector from 1959. I remember my first papers were Kilkenny, Waterford, hurling final and replay. And from that on, I was a collector. I have programmes, papers, books. And just lately I started to think I haven't been so well, and I said to myself, if anything happens to me, all this gets a green bin. So I decided to put it all up for auction, and it's all been donated to Dóchas Cancer Group in Tullamore, who have been very good work-wise everywhere. I never realised I had so much stuff until 10 weeks ago. I started to take it down and bring it downstairs and putting it in baskets in order and whatnot. I never realised I had so much.
Lots of people will remember you as the referee who was in charge of that so-called Battle of Aughrim.
Yes.
Your memories of that day? My
memories of that day is I arrived early. I remember I always was a great man for early, and it was a right good game, and I don't think Laois expected Wicklow to put it up to them, but they did. And I had 4 sending offs, but each and every one of them was for deliberately striking with the fist. There was I had no breakages in the games, there was no mauls, whatnot. And as regards what happened to me at the end, no sideline fencing. I was surrounded by approximately 1,000 people within seconds, but I was also well protected by guards and stewards. It took me about 3/4 of an hour to get to my dressing room. I was there for a while. It was the warmest day of the year of '86, and I was dehydrated and I just relaxed. And then I was walked to my car, which was about 100 yards at the back of the dressing room, and I drove out of Aughrim, and that was it.
A few bangs on the top of the car.
A few bangs on top of the car, yes.
The most traumatic experience you had as a referee must have been, though, in 1999, the O'Byrne Cup final.
The O'Byrne Cup final, Dublin versus Louth, and we were just 14 minutes, I think, in around 14 minutes into the second half, and my brother John collapsed at the goal post, and unfortunately he passed away in Beaumont about 1 hour later.
And he was one of your umpires?
He was one of my umpires all down the years.
He was very important to you growing up as well, wasn't he? Yes,
he was, because he was literally my father. My father died at the same age as my son John. They both died of rapid cancer at 42 years of age. Yes, both my father and John, 42. I daren't go back to the green Friday night with any of it. She's so glad to get rid of it, but I am going to miss it. Yeah. You know, what am I going to read this winter? Every night I'd go pick up. I was always, and I didn't spend that over much time at it. I'd say an hour a week, because I'd leave the papers to the weekend. I'd take out the pages I want. If I was away in Dublin or Galway, I'd get books, read them. I think I have read literally every book here. People think I just bought them to have them. No, I've read them. And I'm big into GAA quizzing. I've thousands and thousands of questions put away in ledgers at home. Yeah.